street food walking tour. We walking around the city, have some local street food for dinner, and all the restaurant we go for eating tonight. It's just a small street food. We don't go to the big, luxury, expensive restaurant. You will be Vietnamese in it for today. And question before we start: do you have any allergies to the food?
No.
Beef, pork, chicken is all good. Great.
I don't usually eat pork, but
I try to be no
Yeah.
problem. When we travel, why not? You know? Yeah. We take long flight from Venezuela to Vietnam, not to go to Starbucks, KFC, McDonald's. You try something, even you like it or not, but it's a part of your
It's
holiday.
true,
You know?
yeah.
Yeah, it's an experience, new experience. And did you eat any street food in Hanoi before?
Yeah.
Try quite a lot, maybe 2 days here. What did you have?
I don't know.
Yeah, forgot it maybe. You forgot it because the food is so good, you don't really, you know? Yeah, and then you just focus on eating, right?
I had pho, banh mi,
Yeah, of course, yeah, something
and I mean, I've been to Vietnam 3 years ago.
Oh, you went
and then
to
I had
before.
more like banchan,
Something like that.
and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But not so much this time.
Yeah, and how about you?
we just got here yesterday,
So it's not
we
so much.
haven't
It's not-
had
that's
like
good.
that much
Yeah.
time.
I want to ask you because when I do the tour, I would love to give something different, something new. Yeah.
Okay.
And in the tour today, firstly we're gonna have beef salad with cream and peanut and beans mixed together. Then we have rice paper. With rice paper and pork and mushroom, we will give it the sauce. Then we go to see the church a bit. After the church, we gonna have some salted donut. It is very interesting because in the country, donut like chocolate for dessert.
Yeah.
But today I give you savory donut. We pork and mushroom, they all sliced and mixed together. You know, something else on the menu. And then we're gonna have noodles. Yeah, and after noodles, we're gonna have sticky rice ice cream for dessert. Have sticky rice, ice cream, and coconut all mixed together. And at the end of the tour, I bring you to try the egg coffee. Do you know the egg coffee?
Yeah.
It's very, very famous. And today I will bring you to one of original coffee in Vietnam, which came from 1946. That is very, very famous. One of the best egg coffee in the city. Yeah. And that is whole plan for the tour. And at the end of the tour, if anyone interested in the train street, if you don't want, you can go tomorrow. Whenever it's and you do the tour tomorrow, he said, right? They can bring you to the train street, drop you there, and then everyone can stay there waiting for the train. And today is the weekend, but a lot of train passing. You know, it's like 9:20, 10, 10:30, 11 p.m. A lot of train because of the weekend. But if you don't want the train street, I think you should go to the night market as well, because the night market is only in the weekend and only during the night. It starts from 7 p.m. until midnight. Yeah,
Okay.
nearby where we finish it tour. So nearby to like in this center. You're the boss to decide later. So from here to the first restaurant, well, like 10-12 minutes walking.
Okay.
So you ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
Thank you very much for joining our tour and please enjoy the tour and enjoy the Vietnam trip. Cảm ơn. Oh, perfect. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful. Yeah.